Hey, do you want an awesome QR code for your website? Then on QR Tiger, you can make an awesome QR code and track your data. Let's have a look how it works.
Switching from face-to-face teaching to virtual classrooms is a difficult job. Adapting your traditional resources may not be possible overnight. But with QR codes, you can make the transition easier, not only for you, but also for your students. The QR code is a scannable barcode-like image that takes you to a specific digital destination. You can use QR codes to engage your students offline to online to give a digital dimension to their study material. The opportunities are endless, and in this video, we discuss 5 ways to use QR codes for education. Number 1. Supporting materials for PowerPoint or slideshows. You don't need to cram a lot of text into your PowerPoint. Make a QR code and add them to your slides to provide more information to your students. Link to good examples, videos, and interviews that discuss the topic you are teaching. Number 2. Offline to online, book with QR codes. QR codes are great for offline to online interactions. Create a QR code to go with physical books. Use interactive content such as videos for more visual and easy to understand information. Accelerate the learning of your student with audio content, or link to more visual photo examples. Number 3. Gamified teaching. How can you make online classes more fun and collaborative? When a student sees something great happen, they can give a QR code that links to messages such as "Good job from Andrew" and "Thanks for doing your part for the team." Award prizes by having students scan a QR code leading to an animation or badge. Number 4. Check answers and reflect. How do you make sure your students are checking their work? Have students check their answers by scanning the QR code after completing a test or assignment. Even if you are miles apart, you can check in to see how your students are doing. Number 5. Provide extension assignments. Add a QR code on your class assignment and let your students scan it to see the extension activity or question. This is a great way to provide optional activities and engage your students. The QR code won't take up much space and will definitely excite your students. QR codes provide a digital dimension to your products, services, and even classroom. Discover endless opportunities for student engagement and create a QR code for your classroom today.